I'm Greer Hawkins here with Moose, and I want to give you some healthy tips for this holiday season. Alright, I want you to remember my name, so we're going to start with G. So I'd love for you to just get up and go. To get up a little bit earlier or to get up during lunch and just to put exercise into your calendar so that you're going to do it and you're going to do it well. You're going to do it often. Alright, so we've got the G, now we're going to the R. I want you to read nutrition labels. So knowing what we're putting into our bodies is huge. We grab items a lot of time because of the false marketing on the front that says low fat or sugar free, but we want to make sure that we know the ingredients that we're putting into our body and we're shooting for high fiber, high protein, and low fat items. The E is to eat. I would love for you to eat. I want you to eat often so that we're not hungry, so that we don't go to parties and we're famished from the day. I would love for you to just get in some high protein, high quality snacks throughout the day so that you don't reach for the first things at the parties, whether that be cheese or alcohol. Those things are just going to go straight to your fat stores in your body, because if you go when you're hungry, then your body's going to immediately store that, thinking that it needs to store up because you haven't been giving it anything. So the second E is to extend. So I'd love for you to just extend your exercise just maybe 30 seconds and just do a nice little stretch, reach your arms back, just kind of reach somewhere, just kind of close your eyes even, and just think about your health and being so thankful to be able to complete a workout. It's a huge deal. We take it for granted a lot, being healthy enough to exercise, but our physical, mental, emotional, maybe even spiritual side of balance is huge. So if we're able to get all those together and get out the door and perform our exercise, then we need to stop and be thankful for that and being proud of ourselves. So never taking our health for granted. We're extending the exercise a little bit. The last R is to rest. So when we don't rest, our susceptibility to illness goes up, and others around us usually suffer because we're usually cranky, tired, fatigued, stressed. When we don't get enough rest in the evening, then we're not able to perform as well as we should throughout the day. So I want you to be 100% this holiday season. Remember my name: to go, to read, to eat, extend, and rest. So I wish you a happy and healthy holiday season of 2011.